How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 comes in 64, 128, or 256 gigabyte variations. It comes in 5 different colors, including white, black, blue, green, and product red. We are unboxing the blue 256 gigabyte version today, so let's get started. So let's go ahead and grab the box right here, and we've got the classic little peeling sticker right here. We'll just peel right there and take that off and get that out of the way, and then we will just slide it on open, and the first thing that you see is the iPhone sitting right there. And wow, just right away, this is the first time I've seen this color. This color is just gorgeous. I love this blue color on the brand new iPhones. Let's go ahead and just grab the front right here, and let's just peel this right off. Very satisfying. Oh yes, I love the sound of just peeling that right off. So beautiful looking color. Now obviously you can already see that I'm kind of fingerprinting it on the back, which yeah, that does kind of suck because it does have that glossy look to it. But you know what, I just think the glossy look looks really cool. The sides of it is all a matte finish. We'll look at that more in a second. Let's just put that down for a sec right here, and let's see what's included inside of the box. So first thing we do have is a lightning cable to USB-C. And now Apple did this because yes, they wanted to save yourself from having so many bricks around, so they're trying to save the environment and all that. The only thing which I think really sucks is they included USB-C to Lightning, which most people don't have USB-C blocks, so they're gonna have to still buy another block. It's not a regular USB-A. So yeah, kind of weird, Apple. I think that's kind of maybe a ploy just to make more money, not necessarily to save the environment. But hey, that's Apple for you. What are you gonna do? Anyways, let's grab this little thing right here, which will have your SIM card ejector tool right there. So there it is. So if you need to eject the SIM card on the side, install your new one. And then we have a single Apple sticker this time. We used to get the doubles. Now they've gone down to the singles, but hey, that's okay. I've got tons of these around. And then of course your pamphlets of information. I'm sure all of you guys are going to read all that through. And that's pretty much it. That's all inside the box. Let's grab the phone now and get a closer look at it. So we'll look on the back first at the camera. So there is your double cameras right on the back right there with your flash and sensor right there. If we look on the side of the phone, the side is all a matte finish to it. And you can see the matte finish does get a little bit fingerprinted, but not nearly as much as that glossy back look to it. If we look from the side, we also do see right here, that's your power on and off switch. We've got some antennas and stuff up there and on the bottom as well. If you look at the very bottom of the phone, and you can see right there, we've got your speakers, microphones, and your lightning cable right inside of there. And if we look on this side right here, you can also see we've got the SIM ejector tray right there, your volume up and down buttons, and then your mute switch, just like every other standard iPhone. Now, the big thing with this iPhone is the square-like body to it. Now, how do I like it? How is the feel of it? Honestly, I love it. I was a huge fan of the iPhone 5S, the iPhone 4s, all those ones that came out with those square body design, and then they went to the rounded edges like kind of the classic iPhones. But I really like this square design better. I just feel like that full screen that you have on there is much, much better. So let's go ahead and start up this iPhone and turn it on for the first time. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that power button right here on the side. Let's go ahead and hold that down for a second, and we'll see if our phone turns on. There we go, it does. So it does have some battery in there. Some of them might ship without any battery in them, and it's usually recommended that you do charge them first, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna just turn it on right away. So let's just let it go. There we go, your classic hello. Let's go ahead and swipe up. Obviously, I'm going to select English for mine, and I am in Canada, so I'm gonna select Canada. Do I need to use the quick start? Let's set up manually here. I'm gonna search my Wi-Fi network, so I'm gonna click on that and enter in my password. I click join on my network, and we have joined on to my Wi-Fi network. There we go. And it may take a few minutes to activate my iPhone. It shouldn't be too long here, so let's just give it a wait. Data and privacy is next. Of course, we do agree to that, so let's just tap continue. Do I want to set up Face ID right now? Let's go ahead and just skip this for now. I will set that up later on, so we'll set up in settings. Create a passcode. So you can can create a 6-digit passcode, which is more comprehensive, or if you go passcode options, you can change it to numeric, alphanumeric, a 4-digit code, or just don't use a password at all. I personally use the 6-digit one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and enter in my passcode, re-enter the passcode, and there we go, my passcode's in. Now, we can restore an iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from an Android, or don't transfer data at all. So I do use an iPhone XS Max right here. That's my original iPhone that I have. I didn't have any of the iPhone 11s. So let's go ahead and transfer from my iPhone directly. So I'm gonna tap on transfer directly from iPhone. This pops up right on my iPhone right here, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on continue right here. And it's gonna ask me to hold my camera right on to this little thing on the iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So there we go. So we're just gonna hold that right, and there we go. Connecting, finishing, setting up new iPhone. So it's gonna go through the transfer process once I put my password in again. And now it's gonna ask me, do I want to transfer from my iPhone or from iCloud? We are transferring from my iPhone directly. So we'll go ahead and tap that. And setting up iPhone. So it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna take some time. We're gonna speed this video up and I'll show you guys when it's done. All right, guys, we are back and my phone is all loaded up and good to go. And I am absolutely loving this so far. One thing I really am impressed with is like the edge-to-edge screen, how it just all kind of meshes in just because of that flat screen. There's no curved edges or anything, but it just feels really, really nice and it looks really, really good. It's a very clean looking phone itself. So far so good. I'm super happy. No hiccups or anything at all loading all my information. It just took a little bit of time. So there we go. That is your iPhone 12 in the new blue color. The one thing I will show you as well is the case that I'm using for this one as well. This is a really, really nice looking case that I got for it, or pre-ordered this case before I even got my phone. And it's got this little, here, I'll just put it on here so you guys can see. I'll put my phone in here so it just kind of snaps right in. And then we've got this little door piece right here, which protects the lens. So if you want to put your phone in your pocket and you're worried about keys and stuff scratching it, you can just close that little door. And I just really like it because the feel of this case, it's kind of like a little bit of a carbon fiber-ish feel to it, but it's like a little bit grippy. Really, really nice case. So anyways, that's the case for this phone. If you guys want to check out this case, I'll link it down below. But let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the brand new iPhone 12. I'm super excited to game this as my main phone until I get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will be in the next few weeks. You'll see that video coming up very soon. Make sure you hit that like button, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.